Alright guys, well, I just got off of work and I'm on the way to Wedo's, but today it's going down. The truck is finally gonna get painted, and yeah, let's see how sick it's gonna look right now, and I'm gonna record the process. It's not a game, it's a race. You having fun? No? That's all she wrote?
That's all she wrote. And a heads up for anybody installing Kendeck door handles, paint them and primer them before you put them on. That way you don't have to take them apart again.
Exactly.
Okay? Even if the truck ain't painted, paint them inside anyways. That way you don't have to take them apart. I broke out all 3 of my fucking guns today.
Yeah.
I use my primer gun for undercoating because I can't find my fucking undercoating gun. I use my fucking base gun for sealer.
Yeah.
And I use my clear gun for black. You know how many people are gonna criticize me after they hear this on your video?
Hey,
you know
I deserve the best.
Do you know how frowned upon it is to put base in a clear gun or anything in a clear gun? You're about to find out.
It's the paint is all done. It's got to dry now, but it looks so sick. I'm really stoked. I turn around and show you my smile, but you know, I don't want to. But thank you, Foo. I appreciate it.
You already know, player.
So, I guess the next part is trying to get this thing back home. So,
and Will, you get to clean up.
So, after I clean up, the next adventure is trying to get this thing back on the frame. So, I don't know if this will be included in the same video. I'm gonna try to include it in the same video, but we'll see. So the truck is finally painted. I'm so stoked. All right, so everything's done inside and out, all the door jambs, and it looks amazing. I can't wait to put this shit back together. This is actually gonna be nice for like a week until I fuck it up and ruin it, but I'm super stoked. Can't wait for this shit to be all put back together.